In this video, I'll show you how to create a 9:16 shadow effect in CapCut PC. Let's use this video as an example. Drag your video into the timeline and adjust the aspect ratio to 9:16. Resize and position the video as needed. Then right-click it and select Create Compound Clip. Duplicate the compound clip twice and stack them on upper tracks. Hide the top two layers temporarily. Select the bottom layer, go to the Effects tab, and apply a blur effect to soften the background. Unhide the middle layer. Go to Adjustments and lower the lightness to turn the video black, creating a shadow base. Unhide the top layer and adjust its size and position to match your design. Select the middle black layer and go to the Mask tool. Choose the rectangle mask. Align it with the top layer size and position, and add feathering for a gradual shadow blend. That's it! Your 9:16 video now has a polished shadow effect. Thanks for watching.